Hi there, my name is Katie Cook from Portland's Culinary Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way and safest way to peel ginger. First, you're going to take it in here. Now, the ginger skin is edible technically, but not what you're looking for as far as mouthfeel is concerned. So if you pop this into a smoothie, you can just chop it up with the skin right on there. For most things, we want to take that off though. The reason we don't like a peeler at the shop is because number one, a lot of accidents happen with peelers. People feel comfortable with them, so they don't give them the respect of a blade. Before you know it, knuckles gone. I really like this because I always love new ways to use equipment that I already have, such as the humble spoon. So you're gonna put your thumb at the bottom of your ginger. You're gonna put your index finger across the spoon so you're pressing on the far side. And then you're gonna just pull back towards your thumb at the bottom, just like that. So the skin's gonna come off nice and easy. This also works with turmeric, not as well with galangal. I usually peel that or cut off the skin of those bad boys. If anything looks kind of soft to you, you can absolutely cut that off. I get a lot of questions about freezing ginger. I would just recommend not buying a ton of it at a time if you're not going to go through there, because when you freeze it, the water in the ginger expands, and then when it thaws out again, it makes everything really, really mushy. Kind of like freezing berries or something else like that. Perfect. Now my ginger's all done, and I'm ready for a little bit of Thai curry on these days at home. We look forward to seeing you in the shop. If you ever have any questions, you just reach out to us and let us know. Check out the class calendar because we have a ton of Asian cuisine classes coming up. Thanks for joining me today, and have a good one.